Hi, Gratitude Seeker. Welcome to a new episode of Gratitude Reminders. In this episode, I would love for you to do something for me and for yourself. I know you might have a really busy schedule, you have many things that you need to do, but just take 5 minutes to connect with nature. You can do that by just going outside somewhere in a park or somewhere close to you, or if you live in a house, you can go outside a bit and just breathe the fresh air, enjoy nature, just watch how harmonious everything is actually, and just reconnect with it. You can also appreciate your pets if you have them. They, in my opinion, are part of nature, and they help us reconnect with nature and ultimately with gratitude. Even plants in your house, just take a moment and be with them. Just enjoy their beauty and their harmony, their perfection, because they actually represent something that's inside of us also, but we sometimes forget. As you might know by now, nature is actually one of the most present in our discussions on the Gratitude podcast, because many of my guests have mentioned reconnecting with nature as a great way to get grateful once again, or to increase the gratitude that we feel in a particular day. So please take 5 minutes. If you have more, that's great to do that. And in the weekends, if you have more time, go out in nature, enjoy the fresh air, enjoy the beauty, the harmony, and just reconnect with it and with gratitude. Thank you once again for listening to Gratitude Reminders. If you like it and if you enjoy it, share it with your friends, with your family, on Apple Podcasts or on Stitcher, on whichever device you're listening on. Thank you once again for listening and for being here with me.